Oh, stocks 5150. Today is June 9th. Time is 0636, 6:36. And we are sitting looking pretty good. Man, we did a play that y'all might not approve of, but we did it. I did a short. I mean, I went long here, back here on this day, and this play is finally starting to pay off. Or well, maybe it was here. I don't know. I did a short here. However it goes, I ain't sure. Maybe it was a short here. Yeah, it was on Friday. I fought the trend last week. I mean on Friday, and yeah, I caught the falling knife and went long, and we dropped down there. But then this happened right here. So we on the way back up, and what we are targeting is that 2024. Maybe I should go for the year. You know what? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do 2026. Let's do that. Let's do 2026. Just for humor. 2026, we're gonna go for the year. So we're targeting 30,414 upside. Right now we're sitting at 184. The only thing we got coming out today, we got it's Tuesday. Today we have ADP weekly employment change that comes out at 8:15. That's a yellow folder. Small business index is at 8:15. Last night, how did the market do? We look at it overall, we can see we started at Asia sessions right here, and it went up. Boom. Nice. But it didn't break higher than what it was for us. It did not break the New York high. It basically traded within the New York high. So Asia session was in this range right here, which is good for us because that keeps us green. So if we get a little pop because the job's good, well, the job's being good means that's actually they say it's bad for the data, but good jobs are actually you want people to have jobs because if people got jobs, they got 401ks and they put money in the market. You know, I get it about inflation. I mean, interest rates and everything, but yeah, that dude, he's gonna cut rates regardless, man. He's DJT's dude. You know what I'm saying? It's no way he gets in there and doesn't. At least he'll keep the rates the same. Right now, SOXL we are at 226, 223, and go oil. Crude oil is at 89, going down. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Let's look and see what news we got. Um, let's see, 4 hours ago, defined Trump with a brief Iran fight. Israel seeks sway over peace talks. Them cats just gonna do what they want to do, man. Just gonna do what they want to do. But we can slide out of it, though, and let them have it. You know, let them fight. Bump 'em. Well, they got news. Let's see. U.S. China summit saw major new deals, but will they hold up? Yeah, you know. Bank of Japan, 5 hours ago, set to raise interest rates to 1% at June meeting. So they're going to raise their rates, but that don't seem to be bothering us much. Gold steady, silver slips. Hawkish Fed bets offset weaker U.S. dollar. And we got China trade defies Iran war drag as exports, imports beat estimates in May. Okay, so that's probably where that came from. That little pop that we got. That being said, I don't know if I'm gonna hold on to this to well, yeah, because if we get a push up through here, that's perfect. Look, boom to boom. I mean, I don't know. Honestly, because we all holding out for this SpaceX thing. So we could just sit right here and just trade along right here. Let's look at this on the 4 hour. We could just chop down here because I really think that with all the SpaceX hype, it won't be on Friday. It'll be Monday that we'll make up. Let's see. So right now we're at the 50% range. Where's the fib? Let's see. Get the fib on that. The move was from here to there. We're sitting at 50% now. So I don't know. Truthfully, considering that we went up 50%, I probably should close this out. Because the likelihood of us continuing today, I mean, we made it all the way up. That's 50% right now. So we close this out, then we're still good. On the day, we're at 804. Um, yeah, $800 ain't bad. We close this out because I say that because if we pull back, right? So if we pull back off of like the news, so just chop right here. We just chop here all day. We could trade this, and then when SpaceX stuff comes out, that's going to be an influx of capital. And when that does go in, maybe if they shake us down here and have us thinking it's going to be short again because of the ADP, not the ADP numbers, but because of the Wednesday we got CPI numbers. Yeah, I probably should. We could pull back. Then we might pull back to here. I got this reversed. I need to change this to like this. Put that there. All right. So either way, we're at the 50% mark right now, right? Just above it. So we could chop here between 61 and 50, right, on the field off of this move down. Because this is all Friday's move right here, right? So we're already at 50 at the halfway mark, which come up, pull back to like 38.2, chop around down here. Like you see, we already did that. We went up, boom, hit it, chopped around. So maybe that move is already taking place. Like, if I'm being honest, we went here, we hit the 50, then we pulled back. That was the eighth. We pulled back, boom, bounce. We held it. We held that 38.2. We held it, boom, and now we're back up again. Maybe, and we're above the 50 now. Hmm. So maybe we don't come back down. Maybe we go up to 76. Shop here. So we could shoot across there and build out some liquidity there. We're gonna stay long, y'all. We're gonna stay long. See how this works. Might even get we might even considering we ain't got no heavy news. I mean, well, that jobs that report, but we might even get a push up, bam, and bang, and ride on through that, and actually get that 2026. And wouldn't that be cute? Yes, they would. Yes, that would. Cause uh, it ain't as bad as it looks. Like for the day, it was yesterday. Yesterday we did pretty good. We got 3,700 yesterday total. Just show trades. And that wasn't trading, that was because the market just came back. I just held. So we got 1995. Nice year, 1995. Huh. 1995 to 2026. Oh, look, 1995 to 2030. 2030 is when the market's going to pull back. So I'll be officially old then too. So right now, we don't have anything. No trade. All right. So we're just gonna hold. Yeah. We're gonna hold, and my thoughts are we hold and push up to the 76 to 31.25. Maybe we chop around here and build out liquidity there, build out a base. And, or with honestly, with all that dropping off, we could shoot through there, touch that, bam, and then just go. Next move up. SpaceX, honestly, I think Friday's just gonna be a bunch of hype. It'll probably pour in and stuff, but it's not in the NQ yet. It's gotta be 15 days. So it's just gonna be a company. But it's not listed. So it ain't in the QQQ, it ain't in the NASDAQ. So there's no reason for it really to go crazy. What I think is that they're gonna bull trap us again. They'll run it back up maybe today and tomorrow and Thursday, no Wednesday, and they sell it off, sell it back down again, get more money. I think they'll get more money. I think they'll sell it off on Wednesday and get more money. And they could sell it today. Either way, I'm gonna keep it. We're gonna shoot for this 2026. All right. Stocks 5150. Am I gonna keep this on and stay live for today? Nah, man. Just did a video what I thought. That's all. I got stuff to do. Get my windows tinted today. Things of that nature. Might even go visit some family. It's gonna rain though. I don't know. But we ain't tripping on none of that. Boom and boom. Yeah. So we'll do that, and then we'll see how this plays out. Maybe we come up, hit this 48, as far as the 4 hour goes, and we'll push up, and maybe we get it 2026. On the current contract, we're not going to trade anything. We're going to stay because we're going to be out in the way. So we'll see how it goes. All right, stocks 5150. Your stocks are crazy. I might log back on later and do an update, and that's where we at. All right, peace. Enjoy your day, man. Stocks are crazy.